and welcome back to Primary Tutor Scotland. Today we have another outdoor learning activity for us, all based around place value, but we can also incorporate it into addition and subtraction. Alright, so we're going to go outside, we're going to gather materials from the outdoors, or you can use something from your house, and we're going to attribute values to it based on place value, so thousands, hundreds, tens or ones, and we're going to use them to help us with our addition and subtraction. Okay, so I said that we were going to try do some maths outside, so I'm in my garden now and I've got some materials that I've got, some from inside the house and some from the garden. So here I've got some stones or pebbles. I have some shells that were strangely in my garden anyway, some whiteboard pens and lemons. So what we're going to do now is we're going to attribute a value to each of these objects and make up our own numbers. So for our stones, I'm going to make them the units because they're the smallest. Shells, I'm going to make the tens. Pens, I'm going to make the hundreds, and lemons, because they're bigger, I'm going to make the thousands. Now if you find that tricky to do all the way up to thousands, then just do to hundreds, or if you find this easy, you can find more objects, you can get cups, you can get cutlery if your mum or dad, granny or grandpa allow you to. Okay, so you can do up to millions if you wanted to. So I'm just going to make a few numbers here, and then I'll show you what, it's just examples, and then you're just going to go off and do it yourself. So if I put 2 lemons, that's 2,000. So I'm just going to write my number down on a piece of paper. You can do it in your jotter if you want. 2,000. I'm going to get 5 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pens. So that's 500s. I'm going to get 3 shells. So that's 30. And then I'm going to get 1 stone. So 1 unit. And my number that I've messily written down is 2,531. Okay, so what I want you to do is you can get different objects, any objects you can find in the house or in the garden. Maybe you can take a safe walk with an adult and find sticks around your local woods, and then make up different numbers like this. And then what you could do is, once you have one number written down, do it again, so then you have 2 numbers, and then see if you can add them together like what we were doing last time. Okay, so it's just a wee bit of fun having maths outside so that we're not stuck inside all the time, even when it's so nice. Okay, so make sure that you have an adult outside with you if you're going outside, and stay safe.